Hi guys, today I'm going to be making slime, hopefully, if it works. Okay, here I got the glue, as you can see, clear glue, so we're going to set that right there. I got this, so I can put the glue in. I got some in here, I guess. Hold on, what is it? Oh my gosh, I think that's leaking. I don't know. I guess I don't care, but okay. Okay, let me get my spoon out. I got this. Let me set that to the side too. We're gonna put that there. I got all these. See, this one's purple, pink, sorry, a little bit of nail polish, purple nail polish came on. I'm sorry, fine though. And I got this, as you guys could see. See? And I put all this stuff in here, okay? You guys see me? Okay, I'm sorry if you could hear my sister, it's okay. Okay, let me pour the glue in first. Let me open it. Well, it might be a little hard, because it's all wet. Okay, I got it. Okay, I'm making slime. It's kind of hard. Wait. Oh my gosh. So hard to squish. Okay, it might take a long time for me to open this because it's getting so hard. Hold on. Let me try opening with this. Okay, it's too slippery. It's so hard. Okay, now I finally open this, see? Here, I'll show you what I put in. Okay, let me set the glue somewhere. Hold on. See, I poured some in. Okay, it's getting on my hands. Okay, stop eating, Daddy, please. You're making it so noisy. Yeah. I'm making a slime right now. See, it's turning. Look at it. Okay, it's not even that ready yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just dip it in the hot water so it could turn into slime. Okay, good. Let me just wipe it on my sister's carpet. Okay, let me keep mixing. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, this is so sticky. Look. Okay. Oh my gosh. I need to get some. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I'm terrible at slime. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad at slime. Oh my gosh. How do you guys hear my sister playing a game? Of course, she's trying to do a video too. Okay. Do you hear that? some of the stuff. Okay, it's like all over my hands. After this, I'm gonna need to wash my hands so much. This looks terrible slime. It barely even stretches. Oh. Okay, I don't know what this is, but I don't care. It's fine. I don't know why it's like this. Hold on. I think so there it goes. It's finally taking off my hands. See, there's really any more. I'm sorry. But let's put some stuff in. Okay. Oh my gosh. First, I need to clean my hands. Okay, hold on. Let me put that in there. And let me just do this. Oh my gosh, my hands. These look like snowflakes. Look all over my hand. I'm sorry, you guys cannot see those. Okay, I'm gonna get slime out. Okay, why did I just throw this on the ground? Okay, I need to get this out of the way. I need to get the spoon out of the way. Wait, I still have some more. Why does my hand barely fit? Okay, that's done. Come on. Hold on, let me give you guys more light. And more so you guys can see a lot more. You guys can't see. Okay, never mind, I don't care. The slime is... I'm sorry. Okay. Right here. It does not feel very good. Like, see, it's nothing. But it's fine. I'll still try making something out of it. Okay, let me put it right here. Let's use this first. Okay, done with this. Hold on. Did you guys see that? Okay, good. Now we're gonna put the pink polish. Okay, let me set that right here for a second. Right there so everyone can see. Okay, I did it. It looks terrible, right? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. This is so hard. I don't even know how to make sense. I bet the other, you guys are better. Oh my gosh. Comment down below if you're good at making slime. I'm terrible. Sometimes I make better slime with not clear glue, but with some other glue, different glue. Ow, this hurts my fingers. Okay, it's fine. Let's just move on to the next one. Okay, that's just draw on my hand. Now I got this. We're gonna write on here. Hold on. See? And that's how it looks. Okay, let me get the purple fixed.
What the heck?
Okay, what are you doing, Gideon?
Yes, finally.
Ow, it hurts so bad. I can't even open it. Okay, it's fine. Just, okay, hold on. I know what you're doing. Okay, I just got one of my sisters because can't find anywhere else. Okay, see? Oh my gosh, it's sticking all over my skin, the glue. Okay, just stop it, Kenny. Could you see our cage back there? Okay, let's put on this. Okay. Okay, let me set that down right here. Everyone can see. Maybe some of you can see. I'm sorry. Okay, now let's move on to the next activity. Okay, let's get on to mixing it. Oh, this is gonna turn so bad. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, this looks terrible. It's just staying the same color. Okay, who cares? Get that out of here. Okay, hold on. Wait, I need to put her nail polish back. Oh my gosh, so hard. Ugh. Okay, back here. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let me put all this stuff away. Let me put all this in here. No, put that. Glue. Not that. Not that. What else do I need to put in here? I got a lot more stuff. Okay. This. And this thing is over there. Okay. So I got them all back in here. And yeah. Okay, let's go see what my sister is doing. Hopefully she will tell us what to do. Okay? Okay, let's go. Hold on, let me see how much it's showing. No. What is happening? Yay. Okay, that's good. You guys see her cage? Right there. Let me show you her cage. Come on, let's see. Hi. Oh, I'm so sorry, Freddie. It's okay. Okay, we're in our cage. Look at her. Look at that face. That's so cute. Oh, and my name is Erica. If you have seen me in another video, that's my sister Karina. Okay? Okay, let's go see what she's doing. Okay. Hi. What are you doing?
No, fool.
Cool.
Do not put it on me.
Why? I think she's embarrassed. Look. Okay, don't show your face. Hide your face. That's her.
What's up, guys? You have now met a girl with a hand on her face. Okay, now shoot play.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, hold on here. I'm gonna pass it to my sister real quick.
What's up, guys?
Okay, what are you doing?
Okay, whatever. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.